Hi, today we're going to talk about marshmallow. Everybody knows marshmallow. It's those white things you buy in plastic bags and put over a fire. Well, this is the marshmallow, and the root is where the original marshmallow came from. It's sort of a gooey substance, you might say. This plant is demulcent. Demulcent. It has mucilage in it. It's cooling and soothing. Marshmallow is for tummies that are inflamed or lungs that are inflamed, like wildfire smoke. You can sip your marshmallow tea. It coats things and soothes things. It cools things. So marshmallow's Latin name is Althaea officinalis. What a beautiful name to name your daughter, generally, Althaea. And officinalis, which means it's an official medicine. You can use the root or the leaf. We tend to dig up the root after 2 or 3 years. This will be its third year this year, so this is going to have a big root system on it here. So we'll dig some of these up this fall and sell them to the medicine makers. For the leaf, look at this. See, this is the third year. This is a 1-year plant. This was just put in from a root crown division this spring, and look at the nice growth on this. So in terms of leaf, this leaf is beautiful and green all the way down, whereas if you look at these, see, some are turning yellow and spotted. This has some kind of a fungus on it, and they're bad all the way up to there. The leaves aren't really good until you get it all the way up to here at this point of its growth, and it's busy making seeds. Here's the little, whoops, here's our little seed. It's a lot like the buttonweed seeds, but anyway, you have these little tiny cheeses, as we call them, cheeses, because it looks like a wheel of cheese with little sections, and you can chew on that as a demulcent too. So nice. So and the flowers are really cute. Marshmallow flowers in the hibiscus family and mallow family, and it's going to have a lot of seeds. So we collect the seeds and sell seed as well. I can really get that mucilage taste already in the mouth. So, but it's pleasant. So, at any rate, 1-year plant for leaf. We could have cut this for leaf earlier, but we wanted seed as well, and we like some of our plants to go full term. In other words, we want them to be able to do everything all the way up to the seed phase rather than cutting them all off for leaf. We want some of them to do their thing. What else would I say about Althaea officinalis? I said it's easy to grow. One of the easiest plants to grow. Beautiful. It's pretty long-lived. Like I say, we usually dig it after 2 or 3 years, but it can go longer. So, at any rate, marshmallow from seed, marshmallow from crown divisions. Go for it. We need more marshmallow. The world needs more soothing, cool things for our harsh conditions. Okay, bye-bye.